Are you tired of relying on expensive and unsustainable energy sources? Look no further. In 2023, a groundbreaking new technology will be at your fingertips, the free energy generator using high-power magnetic energy. Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on the new free energy generator using high-power magnetic energy. The world is constantly seeking new ways to harness clean, renewable energy sources, and this generator provides an exciting opportunity to achieve just that. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So, let's dive into the video. What is a free energy generator? A free energy generator is a device that produces electricity from magnetic energy. The technology to build free energy generators has been around for over 100 years, but it was only recently that the devices have become small enough to be used in homes. Free energy generators work by using magnets to create a magnetic field. This field is then used to generate electricity. The electricity produced by the generator can be used to power appliances and lights in your home. The main benefit of using a free energy generator is that it can help you save money on your electric bill. These devices are becoming increasingly popular as people look for ways to reduce their carbon footprint and save money on their utility bills. However, free energy generators are not perfect, and they still need to be connected to the power grid in order to generate electricity. They also will not work during a power outage and may require maintenance to keep them running efficiently. How does a free energy generator work? A free energy generator is a device that uses magnetic energy to generate electricity. The device consists of two parts, a stator and a rotor. The stator is a permanent magnet that produces a magnetic field. The rotor is an electromagnet that rotates inside the stator's magnetic field. As the rotor turns, it generates electricity. The free energy generator can be used to power electrical devices such as lights, computers, and appliances. It can also be used to charge batteries. The generator is powered by a high-power magnet, which can be either renewable or non-renewable. When the magnet is placed in a strong magnetic field, it creates electricity. The amount of electricity generated depends on the size and strength of the magnet used. The bigger and stronger the magnet, the more electricity is produced. Free energy generators are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to generate electricity without using fossil fuels or emitting pollutants. However, free energy generators are not completely free. They require an initial investment to purchase the equipment and materials needed to build them. Additionally, they require maintenance and monitoring in order for them to run efficiently. The benefits of a free energy generator. A free energy generator is a device that produces electricity without the use of fossil fuels or other traditional sources of power. The most common type of free energy generator is a magnetic power generator, which uses the principles of magnetism to produce electricity. One of the most compelling advantages of our free energy generator is its ability to produce energy without relying on external sources, such as fossil fuels or sunlight. This means that it can operate around the clock, providing a constant source of electricity for households without any interruptions due to weather conditions or other external factors. Furthermore, the fact that our generator is powered by high-power magnetic energy means that it is completely emissions-free, with no carbon or other pollutants released into the atmosphere. Another key advantage of our free energy generator is its low maintenance requirements. Unlike other forms of renewable energy, such as solar or wind power, which can require regular upkeep and repairs, our generator can operate for years with very little maintenance needed. This means that homeowners can enjoy the benefits of clean, renewable energy without having to worry about ongoing costs or maintenance hassles. Magnetic generators have many advantages over traditional sources of electricity. First, they are completely clean and do not produce any harmful emissions. Second, they are very efficient, able to convert up to 99% of the energy they consume into usable electricity. Third, they are extremely reliable and can operate for long periods of time without maintenance or repairs. Finally, magnetic generators can be used in a wide variety of applications. from small portable devices to large-scale power plants. How to build your own free energy generator. Building your own free energy generator is a great way to save money on your energy bills. With a little bit of creativity and some basic materials, you can build a device that will generate electricity for free. The most important part of any free energy generator is the magnet. You'll need a strong magnet to create enough force to power the device. The best way to get a strong magnet is to salvage one from an old piece of electronic equipment. Once you have your magnet, you'll need to attach it to a metal shaft. This can be done by using a powerful adhesive or by welding the two pieces together. Once the magnet is attached to the shaft, you'll need to create a housing for it. This can be done with any type of material, but it's important that the housing be sturdy enough to support the weight of the magnet. Once you have your housing, you'll need to attach it to an axle so that it can rotate. Again, this can be done with an adhesive or by welding. Now that you have your free energy generator assembled, you'll need to find a way to power it. The easiest way to do this is by connecting it to a battery. This will provide a steady supply of power and will allow you to use the device whenever you want. If you want to get more creative, though, you can connect the device directly to your home's electrical system. This will allow you to generate electricity whenever your home is drawing power from the grid. Finally, you'll need to make sure that your device is safe to use. Make sure that all connections are tight and secure, and always follow the instructions provided with any components you purchase. With a little bit of care and attention, your free energy generator should last for many years. Conclusion: free energy generators using high-power magnetic energy have the potential to revolutionize how we produce and use energy in our homes. By taking advantage of this technology, households can save money on their electricity bills while reducing their environmental impact. If you're interested in building your own free energy generator, the process is relatively straightforward. By salvaging an old magnet and constructing a housing for it, you can create a device that will generate electricity without any additional input. Just make sure to follow all safety guidelines when connecting the device to your home's electrical system. With a little bit of effort and creativity, you can have access to free energy right in the comfort of your own home. We hope you enjoyed this video on the new free energy generator using high-power magnetic energy. With this generator, you can now produce clean, renewable energy at home and reduce your reliance on traditional power sources. We encourage you to try building this generator yourself and see the benefits of harnessing magnetic energy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.